I've been thinking about creating a second YouTube channel, and I want a channel that once I upload like 10 videos, the channel will blow up. And trust me, I've been making some research and I discovered 8 viral YouTube niches that can explode your YouTube channel. So if you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel, another YouTube channel, or maybe you just want to create a YouTube channel, I want you to watch this video so that you can know these niches that can explode your channel within months. Make sure you watch it till the very end, and let me tell you something, the 7th niche is going to shock you, I promise you. So let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel Zain, and I make videos on tips, strategies, and tutorials on how to blow up your YouTube channel, especially for small creators. So if you're interested, if you want us to grow together, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you like this video. It's going to help a lot. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the 8 viral YouTube niches that can help blow up your YouTube channel. I don't know if I got it right. I'm just repeating the title. So that is what we're going to be talking about in this video. The first and hottest niche that I am going to be talking about is the AI and tech tutorial. The AI tutorial. In YouTube now, like, AI is everywhere. Almost all the videos I'm watching on YouTube is made by AI. AI images, AI videos, like AI has taken over and people want to learn how to use AI. So if I were you and you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel, I would, learn how to use AI, then start creating videos on how to use AI, because that is what is hot right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to create videos, how to create images with just AI. So if you can go out there and learn how to use AI tools, you can start creating video out of it. Start creating videos and start teaching people how to use AI tools. And by the time you've uploaded like 10 videos or maybe like 15 videos, your channel will explode. I am telling you the truth. There are some, YouTube channels that are creating videos on how to use AI, and when you check the number of the videos they have, it's not even up to 30 or even up to 40, but their subscriber count is in thousands. So if I were you, I would start creating videos on how to use AI. When you do this, your channel will explode within a short period of time. The second niche I'm going to be breaking down is the faceless storytelling or animations. When you go to YouTube, this niche is really popular, especially African folk tales. They're creating all these African folk tales, creating stories, creating videos based on all these stories. Not just African folk tales, there are so many other stories that you can use AI to generate the images and the videos. So if you can just go there and learn how to use AI tools and start generating images and videos, you can start creating your own faceless storytelling channel. You can just start creating videos, come up with a story and come up with the images and the videos, and compile everything together and post it on your YouTube channel. Your channel will explode. All the faceless storytelling channels I'm seeing on YouTube today, they all have high views. I've not seen any faceless storytelling channel that has low views. I've never seen such. They usually have high views. So if you can learn how to create such, then you can create a YouTube channel and start posting faceless storytelling animations. Just try it out. Your channel will explode. If you're looking for a tool that can help you generate images, videos, for your faceless YouTube channel, I want you to try out Shots AI. Shots AI is a very nice app for generating AI images, videos, and all that. Majority of the YouTubers you're seeing today, they use this app, and it is very nice. So I'm going to be leaving a link in my description box. Just go there, click the link, and check the app out. Thank you. The third niche that you have to try out is the personal finance and side hustle. People are looking for ways to make money. Like, people want to make money quickly. People want to make money online. So if you can just start creating videos on how to make money online, as long as you're sure of what you're doing, you create videos on passive income, money hacks, side hustles, things that people can do to earn more money. That video will go viral because people are constantly looking for things that will give them money. So if you can sit down, create a video on how to earn money online, or all these side hustles and all that, that video will blow up. Your channel will go viral, honestly. So just try this niche out if you're looking for niches that will explode your YouTube channel. You can just upload like 5 videos and everything will just blow up. So just try it out. The fourth niche I'm going to be talking about is the health and fitness hacks, or the health and fitness niche. If I were you and want your YouTube channel to explode, try out the health and fitness niche. But before you try out this niche, make sure that you yourself, make sure that you're fit, make sure that your body looks good, because if your body does not look good, nobody will watch you. So people want something, that an exercise or a workout that can transform their body. All these quick exercises, a 10-minute workout, 20-minute workout. They don't want something that will stress them. So just, make your research and find out the workouts, the exercises that people can do to, transform their body within a short period of time. You can start creating videos on how to keep fit, and you're going to explode. Your channel is going to explode. So just try this niche out. The next niche that you have to try out is the reaction and commentary. You see this reaction and commentary niche, you have to be perfect in it. If you are not perfect in it, you're going to be getting copyright claims in your videos, and if possible, YouTube is going to delete your YouTube channel. So if I were you, I'm going to learn how to react on videos. Video reaction is very, very nice. I love when I watch a movie, or I watch a music video, or I watch an animation or something, then I go to YouTube and search for reaction. Let me see how other people reacted to that thing I watched. So it's a very, very nice niche, and people love watching other people react to their favorite music, to their favorite movies and all that. So like I said before, make sure you learn how to react, like react properly. You have to add your own personality, things that will make that video yours. Try to make that video yours. Don't just sit there and not say anything, and nobody will watch your video, nobody will even subscribe to your YouTube channel. Just try to add your personality and try to comment, try to make the video yours. Add your personality and your channel will explode. The sixth niche that you have to try out is the mini documentaries and deep dives. Your video title can be something like the rise and fall of so and so, the dark side of so and so. When you create video titles like this, you're mixing curiosity with storytelling, and people are always curious. They want to find out the dark side of so and so, and they want to find out the rise and fall of so and so. So if you create documentaries on people, on historical moments, and such things, people will always come and watch your videos. Your videos will be blowing up. In fact, once you upload like 5 videos, your YouTube channel will explode. I'm telling you the truth. So make sure you make your research and create your videos, edit your videos, add images to make your videos more interesting, and your viewers will come in. That is it. Your audience will start growing. So try out the mini documentaries. This 7th niche is going to shock you. The 7th niche I'm going to be talking about is the viral trends and challenges. The fastest way to blow up your YouTube channel is by jumping on trends, by hopping on trends, trending topics, trending memes, trending challenges and all that. So if you want your YouTube channel to blow up within a very short period of time, just start creating trending videos. Maybe it can be some dancing step, some topics, anything happening around the world. Just hop on it early, and you're going to enjoy the wave of attention. Your videos will start getting views. You're going to blow up your YouTube channel. You'll get millions of subscribers. And I would advise you to be creating shorts, because all these trending videos, they are usually based on YouTube shorts. So try to be creating YouTube shorts if you want to focus on all these trending topics and all that. So be creating shorts, and before you know it, your subscribers will blow up. The final niche I'm going to be talking about is the gaming highlights and tips. As long as gaming is concerned, gaming never dies. Gaming is always evergreen and ever fresh. So if I were you, I would start creating gaming videos. But the advice I'll be giving you is, do not just play. Don't just play games. Give out quick tips on how to play a particular game. You can make funny edits. You can give updates on the trending games that they have. All these things will make your channel stand out from other gaming channels, and you're going to attract a number of audience. So just try it out. The gaming niche, it is a very, very nice niche. So these are the 8 niches that you have to try out in 2025 if you want your YouTube channel to blow up. If you want your channel to blow up and you're serious that you want your YouTube channel to blow up, I would advise you to pick one from all these niches that I just give you. And it's not just about creating a YouTube channel and posting videos. You have to be consistent. You have to show up. You have to post your videos consistently, and you have to put your mind in what you're doing if you want to succeed on YouTube. So just let me know in the comment section. Go to the comment section and tell me which of these niches you're going to be trying out. Just go there and I will reply you. I'll be replying all the comments. So just go to the comments and write down the niche you're going to be trying out in this 2025. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you watched to this very moment, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, and please check out the video card showing on your screen right now.